Hey everybody, it is Neil and I am back with another review item to check out here today. This is the 4-tier shoe rack. If you watched my last video, you'll see I cut myself with this knife trying to open up my last package, and that's why I have some blood on my shirt. Sorry about that. Hopefully I won't be kicked off YouTube for showing blood. Okay, so here we go. So we're gonna open this up, and I don't know why. This knife is insane. I am not qualified to use knives. Okay, so it's ridiculously sharp. Okay, so this is the shoe rack. So let's see what we got here. We got a bunch of tubes, different size tubes, 3 different size tubes, a ton of connectors. A hammer. Look at the cute little hammer. Oh my God, that's adorable. If that's even a hammer, I don't know. Like part of it. And then we have some little hanging racks. Holy mackerel. We got some gloves. I don't know what all this stuff is for a shoe rack. And then we have even more stuff. We have these. I guess these are going to be like the shelves maybe or something like that. A bunch of fabric stuff. You'll see. And we have instructions, and that's it. Just some fuzzy stuff there. Okay, so it wants me to wear gloves to put this thing together. I'm not going to. I don't want to wear the gloves. They're very nice, but thank you. No. Okay, so it says we have the A's are these big, huge, long ones. These are number ones, actually. Number 1 is these. And then we're gonna have to separate all of these into the different types. So we're gonna put this thing together here on my table. I'm gonna zoom you up and show you down here so you guys can keep an eye on me. And there we have it. This is the shoe rack. So you can check it out. I put it together. It's got these little hanging things. I'm not exactly sure what those are for. I guess shoelaces or something. I don't know. Jewelry stuff. I don't know what those are for on the side. I guess I'll have to read the instructions. But you can see it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 tiers, and it'll fit a lot of shoes. So I'm going to go put this in my closet and check it out. If anybody's curious, this is what it looks like put together. Took me 26 minutes to put this thing together in total, but now I have a place to put all my shoes. It was like just the right size. I had to stack up a couple of flip-flops as doubles, but good enough for me. Definitely better than where it was all across the floor. So I like it. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Bye.